Latest crypto and NFT news. NFTStudio24 announces certificates of friendship on UAE's 51st National Day. Happy 51st UAE National Day to you! NFTStudio24 is celebrating a great patriotic day with the UAE by giving away certificates of friendship to all UAE stakeholders, colleagues, and followers. UAE has been actively participating in Web3 development by educating and promoting blockchain technology for mass adoption. Almost every month, there are different events such as conferences, meetups, or meetings surrounding NFTs, crypto, DeFi, decentralization, and more. UAE is on its way to becoming the hub of digital technology. And NFTStudio24 is on board with this mission. In the recent Global Media Congress Conference 2022 in Abu Dhabi, attended by NFTStudio's team along with Hinza Asif, the head of content strategy, many media representatives from the country shared a mutual interest in Web3 with us. Visit our website for more news.